Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started in this case with example 1. This is lesson 5.1. We are starting a new chapter in solutions to linear equations. So in this case guys, we actually have 3 different ordered pairs here, and we want to go ahead and identify which of these 3 is going to be a solution to the equation. Now in order for us to determine if something is a solution to an equation, we do need to do substitution. So starting off with the first one guys, with -1 comma -4. In order for me to determine if this point is a solution to the equation, we're going to do basic substitution. Wherever I see a y in this case, I'll be writing a -4, and wherever I see an x, we'll be doing -1. So I have -4 equal to 2 times a -1 minus a 2. In this case, -4 stays the same on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, I have 2 times a -1. 2 times a -1 will be giving us a -2 minus a 2. Now let's go ahead and bring everything down. -2 minus a 2 in this case, guys, is going to be giving us a -4. And -4 equal to -4 is actually a true statement. So this here is true, and therefore, in this case, -1 comma -4 is a solution to the equation. Now let's go ahead and try the next one. Go ahead and do that in green. And we have 1 comma 1. Wherever I see a y, I'll put a 1. Wherever I see an x, we'll put a 1. So we have 1 equal to 2 times 1 minus 2. Now in this case guys, 1 stays the same on the left hand side. 2 times a 1 is going to give us a 2 minus a 2. Bring everything down. 2 minus a 2 in this case guys is going to give us a 0, and 1 equal to 0 is a false statement, so that is not true. It's not a solution, therefore we'll cross it off. Now let's go ahead and take a look at 0, -2. 0, -2. And once again, wherever I see a y, I'll put a -2. Wherever we see an x, we'll put a 0. So we have -2 equal to 2 times 0 minus 2. Bring everything down. In this case, 2 times 0 is going to be 0. And 0 minus 2 in this case, guys, is going to be a -2. So -2 equal -2 is a true statement. So we have these two as being solutions for the equation. Once again, we're doing basic substitution on these. Whichever works and gives us a true statement in this case is going to be considered a solution. So let's go ahead and move on to example 2. And in this case, guys, this here is example 2. We want to go ahead and complete the missing value in the solution to the equation. So here they're giving us the equation of a -4x minus y equals 24, and they're giving us a point in this case. Now we do have a missing value, and they are giving us one of the values. Now first off, guys, I do want to go ahead and identify which value they're giving us. The one that's missing here is going to be x. The one that's given to us is y. So if we want to go ahead and solve for x, wherever we see a y, we'll actually replace it with an 8. So in this case, I have a -4 times, or -4x minus 8 equal to 24. Now in this case, guys, once again, we want to go ahead and solve for x, so we are going to be moving some things around. So in this case, if I want to go ahead and solve for x, I do need to get rid of this 8. In order for us to get rid of the 8, we'll go ahead and do the opposite and actually add 8 to both sides. That in this case, guys, did cancel out the -8 and the 8, and that just left us with the -4x on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, we have 24 plus 8, which is 32. Next step in this case, guys, is to we want to go ahead and get rid of the -4. So in order for us to get rid of the -4, we're going to go ahead and divide by -4 on both sides. That cancels that out, and we have x equal to 32 divided by -4 is -8. And that there, guys, is our solution. So answer in this case would be -8. And for practice problem, guys, this here is your practice problem. So you want to go ahead and determine if one of these is a solution, or both of them, or none of them are. So go ahead and check that.